Earlier this week, we told you about a sudden spike in heroin overdose deaths in Boyle County. The coroner said that 5 people have died in just the last few weeks. So tonight, some in the community gathered for a meeting designed to address that problem. And among those there, people whose lives have been affected by the drug epidemic. Monique Blair has the story new at 11.
We have a serial killer on the loose.
They were powerful words, but the message behind them was intended to be powerful.
We got to get it out to the people that are currently addicted, that there is something, it is cut with something, and from my research about what's been going on, I think it's probably a substance called carfentanil. Carfentanil is a fentanyl-related opiate. It's a synthetic opiate. It is actually used to sedate elephants.
As a way to bring awareness to this drug epidemic, many people who have been affected by addiction shared their stories.
It's hard to lose a child.
And I do not want to have to worry about my boys picking up syringes in their local parks.
I always told my son, I said, don't never follow the group. Don't do what a group tell you. But he did. And so my son's an addict.
So now the big question is, what can you do to help? For the more than 100 people who came together tonight in Danville, the first step was coming together. But there is so much more that can be done. Dr. Eric Grant says drug and addiction experts need to get into the schools and educate kids, and communities need to be vigilant.
And we need to run these drug dealers out of this county, out of this region. They need to know if they come to Danville, they're going to jail.
The meeting ended with a group promise that they would continue to fight this epidemic until it's over.
There are those that are affected by the disease, and there are those that haven't. And so it would require all of our voices.
In Danville, Monique Blair, WKYT.
And the group that organized this meeting, FIGHT, which stands for Families into Getting Help Together, will meet again on August 8th.